Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox GFX mobile. We'll begin by identifying the essential applications you'll need to download on your mobile device. Next, I'll guide you through the process of posing your Roblox avatar using a dedicated three-dimensional posing tool. Following that, we will delve into rendering your creation and applying various edits to achieve a polished look. Finally, I'll show you how to add those crucial finishing touches and effectively share your impressive GFX with the world. Get ready to unleash your creativity. To start, open your chosen mobile three-dimensional posing application. You'll want to import your Roblox avatar and begin manipulating its limbs and body to create a dynamic pose. Experiment with different camera angles and adjust the virtual lighting to highlight your avatar's best features. Once satisfied, save your posed avatar, ideally as a PNG file with a transparent background. This ensures a clean cutout, making it much easier for the next stage of editing and integration into your desired scene. Now, import your transparent PNG avatar into a mobile photo editing application. This is where your GFX truly comes to life. Explore the wide array of effects, filters, and overlays available to enhance the visual appeal. You can integrate custom backgrounds, textures, and even add subtle shadows or highlights to give your avatar depth. Focus on color grading and refining small details to achieve a professional and eye-catching finish. Remember, patience and experimentation are key to outstanding results. For the final touches, consider adding text, stickers, or other graphic elements to personalize your GFX and convey a specific message. Before exporting, optimize the image resolution and file size, especially if you plan to share it on platforms with specific requirements. Export your finished GFX in a high-quality format, such as a JPEG or PNG, to preserve all your hard work. Now, proudly share your amazing Roblox GFX creations with your friends and the entire Roblox community. You've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.